Hello, good morning. In this video, we'll be repairing this monitor. It's a Dell. What's the model number for this Dell? It's Dell. Model number P2210F LCD. This model, according to the client, they said whenever it's connected to power, it switches on and then later on it goes to sleep. But the standby button is always blue, indicating that power is connected and everything is working, except that the image is disappearing and it's completely going to sleep. So we're gonna attempt to repair this LCD monitor and see what we can do. So the first thing that we do is I've already opened the monitor. I've already dismantled it. So now after checking inside, I did some measurements because the client came with two monitors of the same type. So after I did investigations, I tested some few components that I suspected to be of 40. I noticed something when I opened this monitor. The first thing that I noticed is the diodes. The power diodes, they had let me just open this. Let me just disconnect the monitor cable, LCD cable. So I noticed that there were diodes here, D855, that was changed. As you can see, I even indicated like 40 there. But after testing everything, I discovered that this the other board is just okay, the motherboard, and then the main power supply, it's the one that had 40, because I had used the other one to test this one, to test for the motherboard chip. Then after doing some thorough investigation, I tested some capacitors, resistors and everything. I discovered that this resistor here, it was damaged. So I removed it. This is the one that was there. This one, you can see. So I replaced it with another resistor. And after connecting and testing, it's now working perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learn more